Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to create an estimation form with ZIGAFORM. So just let's get started. Okay, just put the form name. We can choose any template on here, but I will do it from scratch. Okay, first just add a heading, a title of the form. There it is, estimation form. Then let's add a text box. Usually the common fields, for example, this one will be for full name. I can add full name as well there. Comments, then I can add a divider on here. Calculation section. Then I will add a checkbox. Products. I will add the options. I can hide this price label, but I will show first using the default addition calculation. Then I will be using this math calculation. So I will leave it, as you can see how it works. And the other one is this checkbox. Then I will add a ready button. Okay, I will add more options. Okay, here will be services. Not sure. Okay, just products. Then I will just use 2-column grid. There it is. And then I will use probably a spinner. I can put just quantity, and I can add dynamic ready button, so you can upload images. Then it will be shown as an option on here. Okay, you can add images on there. It's like more appealing to see images instead of text. So I will use that. And finally, I will add the submit button at the end. And that's it. We can add some color on here. For example, there. Okay. Then on the email settings, it comes by default this shortcut which will show all the fields of the form. So we will test with this first. Okay, for the customer, you can send a mail notification to the customer, but you need an email field. So to do that, you just need, for example, I'm gonna put this one. Email, and I will add this validator email there, and that's it. And if you go to mail settings, you will see this one. Okay, I can, for better email, here it is. Here's some subject. You can see this is for customer. Okay, there it is. Okay, on submission, you can use the success message or just the page redirection after submitting the form. In this case, I will use just the success message. In the invoice, you can put this info on here. In the case you want to customize the invoice, you can enable this option, and you will be able to, as you see, customize your invoice and put directly the shortcuts. So I will show you later. Okay, in the global settings, you can put this option of auto scroll after loading the form or not. You can use reCAPTCHA. The price, this is the price as format for the whole form. You can use this currency code. You can change the currency symbol. Decimal precision, you can enable tax. Okay. Here's some additional CSS and JavaScript. The PDF, when you can export the records to PDF, and here the settings for the PDF, so you can customize it on here. For the email, you can control the whole email, activating this option. In this case, I want. For the record, you can customize as well the records on here. So I will leave it as this. It's using the default shortcut, which will show all the fields of the form. So let's test it. And as you can see, it's using the default math calculation, which is addition. And I will use, for example, the total amount price on here. I will just add it to here in the custom HTML just to show. I will show this label, total cost. I will remove this attribute. Just that. Okay. Save changes. There it is. In the case of WordPress, it will show a shortcut. In the case of PHP standalone version, it will show a widget code. So you just copy the widget code and paste into the HTML content of your page. And this, for this case, this shortcut will be used on the post or page of WordPress. It works similar way. Okay, I will check in the preview. You can see on here, add some email. You can see it showing here it's changing the price. Also here the cost. It's not showing here nothing because we didn't add any cost on the options. So I will add it. Just go on here. Look at here. It's 0 now. I will add this. And another. Okay. Now it should show fine. Look here, it's working. It's working. You can see the total is changing according to the selected options. That's it. Just press the submit button. And that's it. You can see on here, If we check on the mail notifications, you can see, for example, this one, which is sent to the admin. You can see all the fields on here, also the total. Also if you remember, for customer, it's showing the same, all this information. So it's working fine with the default math calculation, which is addition. Now I will change this and I will use this custom math calculation. Okay, so I will show you that in the next video. So up to here, I think it's clear. Just if you have any question, just let me know in the comments section. Thank you for your attention.